open gate for the Biafra Freedom, which is 100% vote. This charter has become a law, and therefore shall be called the Biafra Helsinki Declaration 2024.
Biafra. So whether you like it or not, we are today live. Today our freedom has been discussed and have been getting it 100%, and that's why we are going home. Biafra is declared.
My children, my children here. Over again now. He got no photo. Me quere, he get queria. My hair quero. I get queria.
They must surely hear from us. What we are doing today is an historical event, which from eternity, which can never be abolished. The land of Finland has given us that platform, which we have stand and build the pillar of freedom of Biafra. We are the land of the future. Thank you for all your effort.
Thank you.
Let's go ahead. The 24/7 man.